So the last class yesterday, not yesterday, Friday. So let me repeat once what has been happened in interface in the last 2-3 sessions, I think, and some assignments are available here. How many of you done these assignments? Raise your hands. Anybody? So these 2 assignment solutions I'll give it. With that, interface will be ended. Okay, right? The plan is like this. Interface is a collection of variables and abstract methods up to Java 7 version. Sir, what is this abstract methods? The methods which are declared without method body are known as abstract methods. What is the structure of abstract method? Return type will be there, method name will be there, parameter list will be there, but body is not available. So here semicolon indicates body not available. So we are calling it as abstract method. Opposite to abstract method, we are calling it as concrete methods. Means body is available. The methods which are declared with method body are known as concrete methods. By structure, return type will be there, method name will be there, parameter list, and followed by method body. We call it as concrete methods. So theory. Now abstract methods, concrete methods. Remember for interview. After that, we writing some rules regarding your interfaces. We use interface keyword to declare interfaces. The syntax is interface followed by interface name and interface body, nothing but members. The members which are declared within the interface are automatically public. Automatically public. The members which are declared within the class without any access modifier are automatically default. So these 2 points you have to remember it. The same thing I indicated in the diagram. Here the members declared within the interface are public. The members declared within the class are default. That's a theory. The interfaces can be declared with both primitive data type variable and non-primitive data type variables. Both can be declared. The variables declared in interfaces are automatically static variable, automatically final variable. There is one nature for the variable declared inside the interface are static automatically, final automatically. Sir, what is the definition of static variable in interfaces? Static variables in interfaces will get the memory within the interface while interface loading and can be accessed with the interface name. So static variables in interface will get the memory within the interface while interface loading and can be accessed with the interface name. Final variables means what, sir? Final variables must be initialized with values. Final variables must be initialized with values. And once initialized, cannot be modified. Once initialized, cannot be modified. Final variables can be called as the secured variables. When the variables are automatically final variable and static variable. Anyway, if anybody asked what about non-static variables in interface, there is no concept of declaring non-static variables in interface because the variables are automatically static variable. This point to be remembered for the interview. You have to read once. So finally, you got some information about variable available in the interface. Then we concentrated on methods. The methods which are declared within the interface are automatically non-static abstract methods. Automatically non-static abstract methods. So non-static abstract method automatically means static abstract methods not available. There is no concept of static abstract methods in interfaces. That's a theory about fifth point now. Now we cannot instantiate interfaces because interfaces are abstract components in Java. Cannot instantiate meaning is we cannot create object. For interfaces, we cannot create object because they are abstract components. Abstract components means physical existence not available. According to object-oriented programming, physical existence means object. Object not available. It's a theory. These interfaces are implemented to classes through implements keyword, and the classes are known as implementation classes. So, interface object not available. In object-oriented programming, object should be generated. Because of this reason, interface is linked to class through implements keyword. By terminology, the class we are calling it as implementation class theory. These implementation classes must construct the body for abstract methods of interfaces. Once the class is implemented from the interface, the implementation class has to take the abstract method and write the body. It's a theory. So for demonstrating, I took one small program and I drawn the diagram also here. This one only I extended. I asked you to extend by writing subtraction, multiplication. This program is easy only. How many of you done this program? Anybody? Right. This is looks easy. Second one, bit confusion will come. Second one, I only kept small confusion. That is balance B is equal to new balance. I kept in the interface actually. I drawn the diagram educating. It's like an inheritance process. Parent loads first, then child loads. Here, interface is the parent, implementation is the class. To make you to understand, I drawn one diagram. Sir, if an interface has more than one abstract method, is it possible? Means, I made a statement. The interface can be declared with any number of abstract methods without restriction. Any number of abstract methods without restriction. Implementation class can be declared with methods. Sorry. The implementation class must construct body for all abstract methods of interface. If more than one abstract method available, the implementation has to construct the body for all abstract methods. I'll show this application in servlet programming to you. First program that only. In servlet, of course, JDBC is running anyway. This week, next week, JDBC will be ended. Around 17th, around servlet programming will be started. Anyway, in 11 AM batch. Servlet programming is HTML form interactions with the servers. There we show this concept to you very clearly. Okay, right. Implementation class can be declared with methods other than implemented methods. Implemented methods means the methods which are taken from the interface and constructed the body, that we are calling it as implemented methods. Other than implemented methods, you can declare your own methods part of that implementation class. No restriction. It's a theory. After making this information to you, I written one program, I think, IComparable. For demo purpose, I took second program. I took it. Educating, this program I educated. The interface can be implemented to any number of implementation classes, right? Above this, I pasted one diagram showing that a servlet program implementation. I shown one diagram I kept there roughly. Okay, right? Then what you understood, I asked you to try it. Assignment, what you understood, you have to try it. So hope you tried, I think, this one. Then I concentrated. There is no concept of blocks and constructors in interfaces. Up to Java 17 version, we cannot declare blocks and constructors in interface. I made a statement. In the future, it may come. In the coming versions, it may come. At present, they are not available to you. Now here, interface can extract the features from another interface using extends keyword. So these are the points that delivered, and I stopped my week there. Given 2 assignments anyway. So let me write that assignments 5-10 minutes. I'll complete that assignments, because next step we'll go for inner classes anyway. Inner classes models will be changed, right? For that we provide the solution now only here. This is IComparable, iArithmetic. iArithmetic, no? Yes or no? Na? I written wrongly there. This one, iArithmetic. Interface application 3, application 5. Application 5. iArithmetic I am taking. I'll take one package test. Interface iArithmetic. Here I asked you to take public void calculate, abstract void calculate of int x, comma int y. So this is arithmetic, one interface anyway. Under this we are creating classes: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulo division. Here implements arithmetic. So public void calculate of int x, like this. Subtraction, same code, just pasting. Implements arithmetic, here multiplication, so division, arithmetic, arithmetic, here modulo division, modulo divided, like this. All are implementations, this one. So implementation means they have to take the method and construct the body. After that, go for main class. Go for main class. So interface application demo interface file. Here import java.util, scanner s is equal to new scanner of system.in s.close. Now system.out.println, enter the value 1. int v1 is equal to s dot next int. Enter the value 2 here. This is v2. Now system dot out dot print ln, here choice anyway, choice. Now system dot out dot print ln, so 1 for add, 2 for subtract, 3 for multiplication, 4 for division, 5 for modulo division. Now enter the choice anyway. Print ln, enter the choice. Int choice is equal to s dot next int, the switch of choice away, end of switch, case 1 break, case 2 break, case 3 break, case 4 break, case 5 break. Default system dot out dot print ln, invalid choice. Already you know, here create object for addition ad is equal to new addition of ad dot calculate of v1 and v2. Subtraction sb is equal to new subtraction spelling subtraction correct only na spelling. Dot star means all will come. sp dot calculate of v1 and v2. Multiplication ml is equal to new multiplication. Now ml dot calculate of v1 and v2. Division dv is equal to new division dv dot calculate of v1 and v2. Modulo division md is equal to new modulo division. So md dot calculate md modulo division. spelling MD dot calculate of V1 and V2. Anyway, this program is easy actually. I expected all will do this anyway. So this is easy, same pattern. So answer will come. Already this program is there with you without interface. So answer will come. Right? This is okay, no? This program is okay. So why I written this program means I'm going to convert this program into anonymous within one day. Anyway, today I'll conclude interface, abstract class. Tomorrow inner classes will come. Their anonymous inner class concept will come. There the code is needed. So today you run the codes who are waiting for solutions, copy and run it. Okay, right. This program is okay. So arithmetic dot Java, addition dot Java, multiplication dot Java, division dot Java, modulo division dot Java. Subtraction is missing. Subtraction dot Java. Then comes your demo interface file dot Java. So all of you run this program and keep the code. Keep the code means copy it and prepare it and keep the code with you. This one I must write here. So I'll copy the code. You also copy from me and keep it. The solution. Now I concentrated on bank transaction. This also available with you already. But the diagrammatic pattern I changed. The model is available with you. I changed. How many of you tried this second model ending? Raise your hands. Anybody? Tried, completed or errors came? Errors will come. Right, okay. Right. How many of you tried? Tried means started. Nobody started. Yesterday busy with festivals, sir. All right. Now, balance. I'm starting with balance. Interface application 6. Application 6. Bank transaction. I took it. I will take one balance, one class I will take it. Before that, test and M-access. Test. And M-access. Under test we had one class. This balance is having one variable, double balance is equal to 2000. One method is there. So public void get balance method is there. System.out.println balanced amount is equal to balance, displaying the balance amount. So this one. So get balance method is displaying the balance amount. I am taking one transaction. I am taking one interface transaction. and creating object inside that transaction. I am creating object inside that transaction. I am creating. See there, I am taking one interface. Transaction, one interface. In this interface can be declared with primitive data type variable, non-primitive data type variable. So I am declaring non-primitive data type variable. I am declaring non-primitive data type variable. Why non-primitive? B variable declared by the type balance. So balance is a class. So this is declared by the type class. It is a non-primitive data type variable which is automatically public, automatically static, automatically final. Because theoretical information available with you already. So interface can be declared with non-primitive data type variable also. But the variables are automatically static, automatically final, automatically public. So theory is available with you. Now take one abstract method here. Void process. One abstract method, you take it. So int amount. One abstract method now. Now this balance class is linked here. Linked here. Now this interface is having two implementations. Now what is the rule of implementation? Sir, it has to take the method. Implementation means it has to take the method. Void process of int amount. Here, withdraw logic. We are taking that method and writing withdraw logic. You have to take the method void process int amount deposit logic. Now look here. Now transaction is the parent. Is parent. These two are children. Children. Now parents can have the members of, children can have the members of parent. So what happened now? So the B is available here. Through extends keyword, the B is available here. That B is available here. B is available means you can use B in this method. You can use this B in this method. Yes or no now? This B. Because members of parent available to child. The B is available to child. Now the process method can use B. If B is available, it can access the members. From here, it can access this one. It can access this one. It can access or not now. B dot balance, B dot get balance. Yes or no now? It can access. That only concept. That concept idea is coming or not, that only assignment. Whether student will get that idea or not. That only assignment. Some people are asking one question to me. Sir, whatever you are teaching, I am understanding, sir. Whenever I write the program, I am not coming, sir. Generally, the general question. But here, code writing only important at last. Right? Whatever the points are there, that you have to remember it and convert it. That only code writing. So it reads more reading and more reading. More reading means n number of times you must read it. So your mind has to strike more. Your mind should be trained, Andy. Mind should be trained. So you must read more. Our minds are trained, Andy. It's like mind is trained mind only. So if you don't read more, subject will be a last part. Remaining all will be first priority. If you look more phone, no phone will come into mind. You can observe it. Right? You can observe that the phone will be in the mind always. Roughly I'm speaking. So that will be dominating means what? Mind training is very important. So the mind should be trained with your subject. Means more number of times you have to read it. Why means the rules should come into mind immediately. The rules should come into mind. Even myself also now. Since 2 days I not opened a single system. From Friday evening onwards, now only I on your system. Till then I am with my daughter since 2 days. So now whenever I want to recollect it, I must check this batch is running where, this batch is running where. Must check it. I am recollecting that. What I am speaking is mind should be trained. Why means whenever you are thinking, the subject related component should come forward. Here many people not started this assignment. Maybe. Why means balance B is equal to new balance. That is a new concept. Actually you not seen anywhere. But it's not a new concept. And the first point. The interface can be declared with both primitive data type variable and non-primitive data type variable. That point why my mind not strike it, sir? Why my mind not strike it that word? It is a rule, sir. Whenever I am looking into a method, okay. Other than method, this is variable, no, sir. Why not? I analyzed it. It is one variable, no. Variable related some points are there, no. Why my mind not given information to me? That is one variable. The variable is non-primitive. Non-primitive will hold address. Using that address, you can access the other members. References concept. Already we had references concept or not? No, this is references. Now if we get this idea, remaining all same. See there? Now go for withdraw. Right click on test, new, class. Withdraw. Withdraw implements from transaction. What is the rule now? Sir, it has to construct the body for abstract method. So public void process of int amount. What is the rule of withdraw? Sir, the amount should be checked with the balance. For that only you brought balance B as in, not you. You brought that int balance, I think. You brought int balance on the day or double balance, I cannot remember. So the information to you is nothing but this method has to access the balance. Whenever you want to access the balance, through implements, this B can be accessed. That only assignment. If a amount is less than B dot balance. If you get this idea, assignment is over. If not, insufficient fund. insufficient. Here system dot out dot println amount withdrawn is equal to amount. Balance amount. So balance amount means, look here. Anyway, B dot balance you can access. B dot balance minus amount. Now whenever I say B dot balance, this balance is accessed 2000 minus amount some 1200. So this balance will be modified to 800. That only. B dot balance is equal to B dot balance minus amount. The modification happened here. What are the modified amount is there? We have to display it. So here we are using B dot get balance we are using, and system dot out dot println transaction completed. Transaction completed. See there. Now amount is less than balance. You are accessing the balance with B. B belongs to transaction parent. Through implements, parent members are available to child. I am accessing. After that, the balance amount is modified. B dot balance minus amount replace with original amount. It's a theory. Now go with the deposit. Deposit implements transaction anyway. We have to construct the body for this method. So public void process of int amount. For depositing condition not needed. So directly system dot out dot println withdrawn amount withdrawn, amount deposited is equal to amount. So B dot balance is equal to B dot balance plus amount, adding B dot get balance. Now system dot out dot println transaction complete. Here variable of interface can be accessed by the implementation, that only concept. So remaining two classes you can copy. One is check pin number, no modification. Main class also no modification. You can copy them. So go to edit plus and copy them. This is bank main class. So check pin number. Check pin number. Same class only. Only difference is must be public. Must be public. Must be public. After that, copy that main class. Here I took balance on the day, today I accessed. The only difference. Here. The same logic. Bank main class. I imported here s dot close. See there. Enter the PIN number. Remaining all you know. Withdraw. Enter the amount. Here creating object for withdraw only, but method name changed. Yes or no now? This method name changed to WD dot process of A1. Here method name changed. DP dot process of. Only this method name changed to process. And here, where is that? This double balance not needed. Is coming in the form of class. So the program is ready. Same program. Invalid PIN number. Suppose I entered 111 1200 11111. So all the cases are working. Same program only that withdraw and deposit changed. So instead of taking that balance as parameter, I'm giving one more information to you through assignment. We can link one class to interface through one non-primitive data type variable. The non-primitive data type variable is available to implementation. Implementation classes can use that non-primitive data type variable and access the members. So that only available in the diagram actually. This B is available to implementation. Using this B, we can access the members of withdraw. So this idea, whether you will get it or not, we cross check that. That only is it. Right. Anyway. That. So that one you have to once, because already old program is there. In the old program interface not there. Balance class not there. In the new program interface is there. Balance class is there. The balance class is linked to interface and it is available to implementation. That is the concept. Right. These two programs, copy it and run it and check that bank transaction once. What happened? One minute. Right. check pin number dot java bank main class dot java. So these are the components. So there we stop that interface concept, we stop it. We look for new interface. New interface means Java 8 interface. Okay, right. Now make a heading like this. Look here. Programming alphabets anyway. Variables, methods, blocks, constructors. Anyway, class came to one stage. Class can hold variable, method, block, constructor. Class is under one package. Package is under one project. Class examples are string classes and wrapper classes. After that, class can be integrated or interconnected with references, inheritance, and a class today can be implemented from one interface. Like this, you had small information about your class and you had information about interface also now. What is the seventh alphabet means abstract class. We write abstract classes. We write it. Make it define abstract classes. Define abstract classes in Java. The classes which are declared with abstract keyword. The classes which are declared with abstract keyword are known as abstract classes. The classes which are declared with abstract keyword are known as abstract classes. Are known as abstract classes. The classes which are declared with abstract keyword are known as abstract classes. See there? Here the third component is abstract class. Abstract classes can be declared with variables. Abstract class can be declared with concrete methods. Concrete methods. Specialty of abstract class is can be declared with abstract methods also. There is a specialty. Abstract class can hold both methods, concrete methods and abstract methods. It can hold blocks also. Same as if like class. It can hold remaining. Can hold. It can hold remaining also. It can hold it. So abstract class can hold variables, concrete methods, abstract methods, blocks, constructors, features. Now, here it is default. As if like class only. Like class only, it is a default. Make a statements like this. Abstract classes can be declared with variables, concrete methods, abstract methods, blocks, constructors, abstract methods, concrete methods, blocks, constructors, and features. Here features means abstract class can be extended from another abstract class. So like class only it is. Only difference is abstract class can hold abstract methods. Right. This is common point. The classes which are declared with abstract keyword are known as abstract classes. Abstract classes can hold variables, concrete methods, abstract methods, blocks, constructors, and features. Right. Here two rules are there to be remembered. Only two rules. Here. Rules to be remembered. 1. Abstract methods in abstract classes. Abstract methods in abstract classes. Abstract methods in abstract classes must be declared with abstract keyword. Abstract methods in abstract classes must be declared with abstract keyword. Means abstract keyword is mandatory. So abstract keyword is mandatory. Abstract keyword is mandatory. It is mandatory. Abstract keyword is mandatory. Abstract methods in abstract classes must be declared with abstract keyword. Means abstract keyword is is mandatory. Look here. Abstract keyword is not mandatory in interfaces. To declare abstract methods, their abstract keyword is not mandatory in interfaces. Because it automatically takes if you don't write also. But here, abstract keyword is mandatory. Right. Okay. Now, look here. Like interfaces, abstract classes also cannot be instantiated. We cannot instantiate abstract classes. Means object not there. Make it. We cannot instantiate abstract classes. We cannot instantiate abstract classes. In Java. because abstract classes are abstract components. Abstract classes are abstract components. We cannot instantiate abstract classes in Java because abstract classes are abstract components. Means object restricted, object not available for the abstract classes. Then how, sir? These abstract classes are extended to classes. Extended to classes using extends keyword. These abstract classes are extended to classes using extends keyword. And these extended classes must construct the body for abstract methods of abstract classes. These abstract classes are extended to classes using extends keyword, and these extended classes must construct the body for abstract methods of abstract class. Suppose I had one abstract class here. Abstract class 1. Abstract class AC means abstract class. This is one abstract class 2 AC. Abstract class to abstract class it is extends. I'll take here void m1 of int x. One abstract method I will take it. Void m2 of y. One abstract method. So if you want, you can take concrete methods. No restriction. For demo purpose, I am taking one abstract. Now, abstract classes do not have objects. It has to depend upon the class. Some extension class. This is one class. Abstract class to class we had extends. The rule is it has to take the method from here. It has to take the method from here and construct the body. As if like interface only. So abstract classes do not have objects. Remember it. Abstract classes depend upon the classes through extends keyword, and we are constructing the body for that abstract. This is the point. Right. So this one I'll code it as a demo. This diagram I'll paste it. Here I am taking one example program. abstract class 1 dot Java, abstract class 2 dot Java, extension class dot Java. This is demo abstract class, demo abstract class dot Java. This is one main class. So here abstract classes application 1 I am taking. For demo purpose, I linked A class 1 to A class 2. A class 2 I linked to E class for demo purpose. Here I am taking one abstract class. See there? A class 1. You can tick one abstract keyword here. Tick it. Where is this? Tick it and load it. This is one abstract class. The class which is declared with abstract keyword, we call it as abstract class. Abstract methods in abstract classes are declared with abstract keyword to be remembered. I am taking one more abstract class here. A class 2 with abstract. So public abstract void M2 of int1. One abstract method. I'll go for one class here. This is normal class. I am taking some extension class, normal class. We can instantiate normal class, but we cannot instantiate abstract class. So construct the body for remaining two. So I am printing X and Y here for demo purpose. I will create object for extension. Demo abstract class. Import test dot star. Here create object for extension. Extension class OB is equal to extension class. You can call OB dot M1, OB dot M2. If you run it, I'll get the answer. This program demonstration is nothing but abstract class do not have object. Abstract class depends upon the normal class. We call it as extension class. This extension class has to take abstract methods and construct the body. That's a rule. And the remaining all are same like classes only. It can hold variable, method, block, constructor, and so on. With that, it can hold one abstract method. So point. So I'll paste this program to you here. I'll paste this diagram, and one diagram is there now here, comparison diagram. This comparison. Whatever I'm drawing this comparison diagram, I'll paste it. This one. One comparison diagram is there. No, I'll paste in the notes to you. Read it and come. Tomorrow, I'll repeat that class interface abstract as 5 minutes. And we write single inheritance models based on this all. After that, we are introducing 3 programs on multiple inheritance models using interfaces. In how many ways we can connect one interface to class or abstract class. That models will be introduced by tomorrow. It takes half an hour time. After that, we are introducing inner classes, right? Okay, take a break for today. Thank you very much for today.